Alright. Oh shit, wait, I should join. Oh, I'm already in the server actually. There we go. You guys can see that? Yeah, very nice. What is this red one? Oh, it's a shirt. I think I've never seen that one. I mean, I've heard it. Alright. Let me do some little things. Set this all up. There we go. The server. Can I copy this? Copy message man. There we go. Alright, fire. We got a different. What? What's good? Alright, well, I do that. I gotta make. There's two other little things I gotta make. Just these two. And then we'll be good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, for this one is the fortress one. We have to do like a full armor set for him. And then enchant it with like a bunch of shit. Let's take these. Actually, he's not gonna have anything but armor. Because it's a fortress. The other one has like a weapon. It doesn't matter though. Alright. Okay. Protection. Like. Protection 4 on each armor piece. Oh, Alright. Protection 4 is like pretty good. Either like a zombie or something. That's it. Oh damn. Yeah, no, I'm not taking damage. Yeah, maybe it's a little too much. Hold on. Protection. I don't know. I feel like I'm not taking it. Hold on. Because the way I want to make this guy is a little different. Maybe we just don't put protection. Oh shit. Triggering things. Oh my god. Let me just kill them all. Okay, wait. Enchantments. I'm gonna put thorns. I want to put thorns on all of them. But we're not gonna put protection. Because they're gonna have like resistance. Thorns. Netherite. Thorns. Watch, it'll be cool once I finish it. And then we're gonna need potion effects. Health is there's resistance. Oh, this one too. Resistance, he'll have resistance. Just resistance 1, I feel like that's enough. And here we're gonna have absorption. Because absorption you can't heal. Like once you have it, you can't heal it. Alright. I wanna make like 3 rows of hearts. Absorption 13. Be 14. Alright. 15. Or wait, no, 14. Which makes 15. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, there we go. Alright, 4 rows of hearts, technically. So, if I get a zombie out. Probably not a smart idea to put them in here. Hold on. Alright, they take damage from the thorn. Oh, once the absorption heart's gone, it goes away. That's how it works. Maybe I should put thorns like way higher than they like die to the thorns. Thorn. Let me gonna search up thorns. To see like I'm gonna do the math for it. See how much thorns they should have. Probability of damage. Right, so it's just a chance thing. With thorns 3. While wearing any, it has a level times 50% chance. Okay. So what if it was 5 times 15? 75. 6. 90. 7. 80. Okay, 7. Maybe we'll do 8. Thorns 8 or something. Inflicting 1 or damage on anyone. Oh, the damage doesn't matter. Damage is like random. Or it caps at 4. Maybe. Alright, we'll do thorns like 8. Can do thorns 10. Actually, no, let's try that. Now, like, they're guaranteed. Like, every time they hit you, take damage. And hopefully, like, a good amount of damage. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, no, I think it caps at 4. Alright. I mean, that's pretty good. I wanted it to just be like, I don't know, like just a tank class, like no weapon. Without a weapon, I feel like it's gonna be kind of ass. Actually, how would he do against the boss? That's what I want to know. Okay, let's see. Maybe we should give him more hearts. God damn. Okay, now I'm gonna die. So here, what if we did this? We'll give him a row of like normal hearts. And then I guess like I don't know, we'll see, like 3, 4 other rows. I'll make 5 rows of hearts though. Like the absorption hearts. Because once those go away, like they're gone. Uh, unless we just make his resistance higher. No, I like the base resistance. I mean, I like how everything is right now. Right now, it seems like really good for resistance wise. It's just, hold on, let's check. Absorption and then like normal hearts. And then we'll do like the regen thing that this does. Yeah, health boost 4, that's what he does. Health boost and then gen, yeah. Just like that. That's pretty good. I think, what else could I do? The thorns is already like, it's only really the, hold on, let's check. It's the only like protection enchantment that you can really get other than like, well, protection itself. Maybe we give it a shield. Then it becomes OP. I don't know. Density. Got health boost. Resistance. Do like resistance 3 or 2. I already feel like he's like OP with how he is. Maybe we just have to give him a weapon. Like what weapon? What would a good weapon for like an armor class be? Wait, actually, hold on. What if we did give him a shield and then that could be his weapon? He could still hit with a shield. Yo, wait, that might kinda go crazy. Yo, what's up, Ryu? Welcome to the stream. Why is no one watching? Probably because it's really late. I haven't streamed in a while. I can make it a shield. What if I do that? I feel like I should remove the resistance. I don't know. How's my day? It's been shit. I slept like way too. I feel like crap. Trying to think. I said, can you put thorns on a shield? Let me try that. I'm still gonna finish these 2 classes, but then we'll, yeah, if you want to join, we're gonna test the thing. I just have like this and then 1 more class and I'm done. Try this. Field doesn't have thorns on it. What's up, man? I think if I do this, I think we don't have the health boost. If that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, no, that's what we're gonna do. So, no health boost. Where is it? Don't need none of that, and then we can also get rid of the regen. Buy to that. Then we do the weapon is gonna be a shield. We gotta move all this down. Okay, that's awesome. I love doing that. Why a shield? Because I don't want to give him an actual weapon. Is it even any good if you enchant it? If I just give him a shield that has nothing on it, then yeah, it's gonna be kind of shit. But if you give a shield with sharpness and knockback, it'll be a little better. Knockback. Nothing too OP though, because he's already got like the best defense in the game. Oh. Oh. There you go. Wait, no. What was that? Very nice. Sure, I missed 2 knockback too. Alright. I'll start the round so you can test stuff out. I didn't leave any holes in the ground, did I? Okay, good. Alright, what disc do you want to play? Fake discs. Got this one. All these. Never heard this one. Oh. What is this? Oh wait, no, never mind. I haven't heard that one. Alright, there we go. So like basically all the classes work now except for the Man of Steel one. No wind charges? Which one is that? Oh yeah, no, crossbow don't cut them. Only archer does. Chose the wrong one. You want to switch? I want to see what did I do to the archer? I did something. Oh right. Okay, yeah. I had to nerf it somewhere. Right here. Let's see this. Cover you in debris. Oh, you got that one. I don't know if like that one would be really good, because it's like it's a tank and you're alone. You can't really do a lot of damage. I mean, you'll live though. Oh wait, you didn't get teleported. Forgot to add that. There you go. Now. You have double rolls now? Alright, you're on your own, so it's fair. You have archer and that. Holy shit. Okay. You're gonna be broken. The whole point of ranged is that they don't have a lot of defense, but like really strong power. The fact you have like really high defense kind of works really well with that. No, you can cheat. You're solo, so it's fine. It's basically if you had two teammates in one. I wonder if there's a thing where I can put jukeboxes on everywhere around here. Like whenever I flick a lever, it just plays it. There's like a spider up here. You have an arrow, so you can reach it. How did he even get up here? I think think that was wave 3. No, this is wave 3. Actually, no, I think we already did wave 3. But too late now. That if I can't play because then I gotta like switch. I mean, I guess I could just switch between each round. Unless I find a way to automate it. How do you drop both your items? Alright. Here. Oops. Alright, here, I'll do it too. Where's IP? Oh, you're right. I didn't even pin it in chat, did I? I'm literally such a good streamer. I heard you the first time, man. Don't worry. There you go. What? Oh, wait. I took your class, I think. Hold on, I think someone's gonna join. We gotta set the teams. Or reset the teams. Whenever they join. Or Clash, are you joining right now? Or maybe we'll just we'll wait. We'll just do one. Let me be up so I don't take your shit. Oh, I gotta definitely clear my effects. Alright, guys. Which one? It's my own game. How can I be ass in my own game? I'll do the basic. Alright. Actually, what was the way? There was like a way to switch. Not like that. There. Gotta keep doing that every time. I know. Like, I wish they'd made it so you could just press buttons. Or like have ghost buttons you can press in spectator. There's 2 baby zombies. The sweeping edge on this thing is good. I remember to keep sweeping. One wave 3. Gather them all up. We just do sweeps. Oh, I don't get regen every round. I forgot. The regen only applies to people in the team. Okay, I could just do this. For team list, team join survivors. There we go. Also, there's still another one. I'll just start the other way though. So there, now I get regen every round. Alright, wave 4. Yeah, and then I could have like the disc loop. Yo, what's up, Aiden? Actually, wait, Aiden, is there a way to like make music discs loop and like have it so like they all like play around the thing? Okay, I gotta kill the skeleton first. Alright, nice. Honestly, I should be using the shield more. Damn it. Or when I say that. I don't know, I updated them all. I gave them all protection. I guess it didn't really help. Maybe I should give them more. I don't know. No, it's because you can have a healer on your team, and that would help you. Alright, let me do golden if we're doing the boss. Alright. Yeah, actually, wait. I think I should. Oh no, never mind. That's taking a lot of damage. I was gonna say I take like no damage compared to the soldier, whatever. Oh shit! Oh shit, bro. Okay. Alright, where's the boss? He's still over there. He found me. Oh shit. Yeah, I just gotta kill his horse. Kill the horse first, then he won't be fast. Very nice. Ow. Oh shit! Oh, these golden apples coming clutch though. I think once he's on me, he won't get off me. Nice. I could change it, but he's not like permanently on you. I think it. Hold on, let me see. Game mode. No, it's follow distance. It means like once he's on. Yeah, no, I think I should keep it like that actually. Alright. Let me try that with a... I feel like I should put more defense on these guys. Thorns, protection. That's good. This one. Protection 6. They have enough. I think it was just the first one. Everything else had good protection. It was just the first one. I'll try this one now. Okay, let's start at wave, like, start at the wave 5, wave 6 or something. I want to try this one. This one I should be invisible, so they can't really see me. They really can't see me? Oh shit. Ugh. I don't know why a one couldn't see me. How was your weapon? Very nice. I don't know why I started with the bonus one. I think they see you before they see me. I'm invisible. Nice. You just gotta splash with a regen. Like regen for if you just gotta heal them a little. And then the splash potions are for like emergencies, like if they're about to die. You just splash them. Right, I have no food.
here.
I'm gonna give us food. Yeah, I thought the cave spiders give like poison, but they don't. Maybe it's just like really rare. Is that all of them? I think so. That's so. Turn up. Alright, now food. Oh no, I just here. Kills you every round. I love banana flavored shit. Also, what happened to the wave? Oh right. Did I not do wave 9 yet? Yeah, I haven't made wave 9 yet. Alright, well, straight to the boss then. Damn. Just spam yourself with heals. I'll try and kill his horse. Oh shit. Alright, I killed the horse. Oh shit! Uh-oh. Why are they all near him? Let me heal it. Actually, wait, I'm invisible. So they'll have a hard time seeing me. Alright. Just gotta keep him out of range. And just keep hitting him. Yo, wait. We can actually do this. Ow. Don't do that. Don't do that. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. Yeah, we got this guy easy. There we go. Soloed the fucking boss. Look at that. Demon Fall stream? Demon Fall streams are so boring though. It's just like grinding. I have nothing to grind right now, so I have no point in doing it. I'm waiting for the next update. I'll probably make the next one and the wave whenever I get back on. I'm probably just gonna go work on something. Like not sure. Let me back up the server though. I gotta shut it down. I'll go work on one of my other games, I guess. Create backup. This one was tank. Tank class. You know what I gotta work on? Another video. God, if I can drink that, it has a bunch of ice in it. So it's like fucking. Oh my god, I almost choked. Alright, we're good. Alright, let me change the stream thumbnail and shit. I might record like a video of this stream, I mean. Like if I go work on my, I don't know, I feel like I want to make a video just like making Hikari in my Roblox game or something. I added like commands and shit to my game. Yeah. You know how I added Gojo, I added like all those guys? I need a picture of my game. So let me close Minecraft. Yeah, so I'm gonna add. Well, here I don't know what I should do. I could either make Hikari his own character, or I can make it like a command where you can do /roll and then the player's name, and then it rolls on them. And then if they get like all 7s or something, you get like buffed. Either I do that or I make it a character. Which one should I do? So make him a command or a character? Or better yet, maybe I make like a Battlegrounds game that's like retro styled. Like a retro style Battlegrounds game. It would be really easy to make, but I can make like so many characters in it. Should I do that? You think it would be worth it? Alright, here, let's stream it. I'll make a video then. Hold on, I'm gonna end stream. And I'm gonna redo. Actually, wait, no, hold on. I can edit it from here. Alright, let's make a thumbnail. Roblox Studio base plate. Save image, and we'll do photo P. This is what I fucking use to make my thumbnails. Let me stream this. Here, hold on. Say Roblox Studio game making game Battlegrounds retro. All those tags in there. Then we'll do making a retro style Battlegrounds game. I'm coughing so much. Alright, did it update? That should change the thumbnail, right? Alright, yeah, fire. Look at that. And now, let me just make a quick little thumbnail actually. Give me like 2 seconds. See, the thing is, I didn't know. I'm like really bad when it comes to making like anything, because when I make something, I'll work on it for a while and then like stop working on it. And I felt like if I make this Battlegrounds game, it's just gonna be like, what about all the other games I'm working on? You know? But I don't know if I can actually work on this one thing and just keep at it, then I should be fine. But like I said that for everything, and I still haven't done it. So we'll see. Do I know Demon Slayer? I mean, I play Demonfall, so yeah. I've read the whole manga thing for it. Alright, we'll do making a retro You guys want to see? Here. See how I make my thumbnails. But not a very fun, interesting process. Right, we got all this. Make them all white. Actually, we could have done this a lot easier. Just do this. Stroke, we do 5. We just duplicate this layer. Retro. It. Battlegrounds. So long, you have to make it a different text. Retro, we could do in like a retro font. With the battlegrounds, I've learnt a lot of stuff in the past while about like making games and shit. Like making everything like basically organizing everything a lot better. So if I put that all into this, you know, it might be actually pretty good. We'll see. Make it blue because retro blue for some reason. I don't know. Like that makes sense. And then battlegrounds were red. Battlegrounds go in the middle. Orange. Orange for battlegrounds. I don't know why. Probably because Saitama battlegrounds. Just makes more sense. Biggest we can. And now to make it look so good, this is actually a pretty shit thumbnail. But if you make it look good, just add shadows like this. It automatically looks way better. At first, I would do the glow, like outer glow, but outer glow doesn't actually look that good. It kind of makes it look bad. Shadows look better. See, look, you just added shadows. It gives it so much more depth. And then we could even do this. So if you duplicate your layer, put it on top of everything. Put the fill, not the opacity, but the fill to 0%. Then you could do like inner shadow and have like a shadow on the inside. Or you do stroke and then you put it on inside and then you have an outline. You can do a bunch of shit like that when making thumbnails, but I think we'll just do a glow. I think inner glow. And we'll do red or white. White look good. It's easier to see when it's white. Look at that. It kind of makes it look a little weird because it's... Wait, put it under the text. There we go. There we go, look at that. I'll take that. Kind of shit, but it doesn't matter. It's a stream thumbnail. Alright, let's change. How do I change the thumbnail? Edit video. Change. Save. That's good. Yeah. Take a quick survey. What do you mean? Do I get free money? Give me some smackaroos if I take a survey? Alright. Now let's open Studio. Blank base plate and then we'll start it. So, Studio viewable. Ignore. New game, base plate. That detected as a game. I don't know how that did, but it did. Alright. You guys can see if I open a script. Alright, nice, you guys can see everything. That's perfect. That's actually really perfect. Sometimes it was weird and then you couldn't see scripts for some reason. I remember when I did it in the past. But let me re-upload the stream. Now that it's changed. Stream thumbnail still hasn't changed. Alright, here, let's start. So, first things first, we gotta have a value folder. So we have to make a folder, call it values, because this is how we're gonna detect like if they're stunned, they have hyper armor, a bunch of shit like that. So inside the values, we'll have N values, which is negative values, and then P values, which is positive values. That's stuff like iframes, hyper armor, and stuff. This is gonna be like stunned, grabbed, and all that. So instead of having a bunch of like values, like a bunch of bool values in here called stunned, hyper armor, all that, and then we have to check everything like individually to make sure like they're not checked correctly or they're not checked true. We just put it in this folder. We get this folder, we check every child and then see if it equals true, then don't run the script. It's like a lot quicker. That's something I figured out recently and it's like just really good. We'll put stunned. We'll need grabbed. And what else? There's stunned, grabbed, ragdoll. And then we need states. So, because a lot of Battlegrounds games do stuff like that. If the character is grounded, if they're in the air or something, so we'll do grounded, airborne. That's all I can really think of right now. P values. Do. So okay, here's the thing with counters. I'm not sure how we get counters to be made. I think we could do something like counter, and then we put a value in here. So we'll just do a string value, and this will be like the type of counter. So depending on what they're countering, you know, we're gonna check for that. Oh, this is a little complicated. The positive values is more complicating than the negative ones. Because if they have hyper armor, I don't know if we check from the attacker's side or the person getting hit. I'm pretty sure it's always going to be the attacker's side that you're checking stuff from. So hyper armor and then iframes. Here's what I mean. Like if you're getting hit, if you're executing a move that has hyper armor, someone hitting you would apply stun, and that would cancel your move, because there's something that every time you use a move, it loops through detecting if you're being stunned or not. So I don't know if we should loop through, detect if they get stunned, but if they have hyper armor, don't. Or from the attacker side, just don't stun them. So hyper armor means you can't take stun and all that. I think that's what we're going to do instead. Everything from the attacker side is just going to make things easier. So that would make things easier with the counter. They check if this person, so starter character is your character. So when you get into the game, see my little guy right here? We're gonna definitely not use this animation. This animation style sucks, I hate it. But see, this is our character. This is the starting character. You see we have our values. Everyone's gonna have different values. So it's gonna check inside the character. Gonna check in the values, p values, counter. Anytime we use a counter, it's gonna change this to, like, say, I don't know, gold counter. I don't know what that means, but we're just gonna say that. So they're gonna check if this equals true, then we're gonna check what type of counter, and then if that equals true, then the counter is gonna execute. So I guess we're gonna also need another value in here. Or actually, maybe hold on. Maybe we have to do this instead. Or hit. Because we don't need to know the type of the counter, because we're going to be using the move, so it'll already know what type of counter it is. I don't know, we're going to figure all that out later though. We don't need to figure it out right now. Let's just get on to the interesting stuff. Make that hit. Alright. That's all set. So we have our value set. Now we need our character. You know, the person that we're gonna have. Or no, we should have mechanics first. Well, that would also tie into the character. Because we're gonna have a different. Are we gonna have a different dash and, like? I mean, we should. It would look nice. So we'll call this folder character. This is who we choose. So the character will have abilities. It'll have M1s. And it will have movement. So that's like dashing, jumping, a bunch of stuff like that. What anime is it going to be based off? It's going to be retro style, so it'll be like based off everything. So we can have Gojo, we can have, like, I don't know, fucking Dio. We can have anything. We're probably just going to start off with, like, it doesn't even have to be anime either. It could be like anything. We're probably going to start off with like a Sukuna might be easy to make. Either Sukuna or Gojo are pretty easy to make, but like as abilities themselves, I don't know. So Gojo would be straightforward, so we'll probably do that one. Make 11? What's that? Like from Stranger Things, or what are you talking about? Replicated storage. Okay, this is where we need to have all our characters. So they're each gonna have folders. So this one's gonna be, we'll start with Gojo, and then we can have, we'll have, what is it? Like, Brick Battler? Is that what it would be called? Bloxer. Hold on, let me search it up. Oh, Bloxers with like 2 X's. There we go. We'll have like a little retro style character. We'll have, I don't know. Let's not make too many characters right now. It's gonna overcomplicate shit. Let's actually just make them first. So they're gonna have abilities, M1s, and movement. Whoa. And inside abilities, because they have to have an awakening, right? So we're gonna probably do... Should we get an awakening folder? Or do we just put it in abilities, just under a different folder? We can do abilities, base, hold on, base, and then awakening. Well, in values, I think we should have an awakening thing. What I mean by that is, because like I feel like if we want the M1s to change, or we want the movement, say like the dash to have like a fire effect on it, we could check if they're awakened or not. So the way we could do that, we could just add a folder value here called awakened, and say if we ever do like a forward dash and we're not awakened, we're gonna check if this equals false, then we'll just do normal dash. But then if this equals true, then we'll do the awakened one. So that's how we're gonna check for that. I feel like that would make things easier. Abilities, I wouldn't do the same. Well, we could do the same thing with the abilities. Just have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we could tie it to something, but then if it equals awakened, it will go to a different section. Or should we just make 2 different sections? Because the way we're gonna manage them is we're gonna have a script in server, like a server script, and we're gonna have a module script inside of this. So this will be like, we can put another module script inside that module script for awakened stuff. So awakened, and then we'll call this Gojo. Yeah, that's what we could do that. Or maybe we should just keep things simple. I'm gonna call this server side. So Gojo will have all his abilities inside of here. We can call this Gojo. Well, the function will have, I don't know, well, like blue. Oh my god, what was that? I don't know what just happened. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm getting hacked. What's going on? I think I've pressed some control Windows thing. I think I just reset my... I don't know. I remember I had to do it before. My friend told me to do it, and it helps your computer. Anyway, blue, we do Gojo, blue, then we can call it whenever, and then we just do the script in here. We put the script in here, that's gonna fire every time we do blue. We can do the same thing, have red, another move, and another move. So they have to have 4 moves. So we'll do blue, red, this will be infinity, Actually, blue should be that one. Red. And we'll do like kick combo. You know, basic ass shit. You know, every Gojo has it. But we're gonna try and do like, we're gonna try and be creative. So this should work, and then if it's awakened, see, I don't know how to check. If awakened equals true, what could we do? Like, send it to a different. Oh, actually, yeah. No, wait, that's legit what we could do. So you guys, I don't have the code here, but what we're writing is basically, say this module equals like Gojo inside there, right? And it's gonna be in brackets, it's gonna have its own thing. And then whenever awakened equals true, we just do dot awakened. And that will lead to here. And then we just have all his awakening moves right here. That's all we need for abilities. Movement is going to be global. Everyone has the same movement. I'm not going to do anything special for that. We can change the animations though. That's what we could do. So that's why we're still going to have every character is going to have his own things, because he's going to have his own animations for M1s and stuff like that. But they're still all going to be the same. Like, they're not going to be different. Like, every Battlegrounds game does that. Different animations, but like the same moveset. Honestly, which in that case, well, never mind it for now. We gotta figure out this first. Wait, do we make the M1s first, or we make the? So what's up, babe? Welcome to chat. I think we make the M1s first. That would be the best place to start out. See, that's what when I stream doing stuff like this, I don't want to like just not talk, but sometimes I have to like not talk and just think, you know? So sorry if I'm sometimes just not talking a lot. Which the first thing I think we gotta go do something. We gotta go grab the script just to make it easier. We're gonna go grab the script from one of my other games because I have it in my other game. And in that game, something that we did was we had server side and client side with the effects and stuff like that. I don't know if we're gonna be doing that here. It would make things better if we did that. I just don't know. Like, I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, because it makes like a part. This one makes like a fireball part. But then if I go to server handler, what does this one do? The stamina goes down. This makes like a raycast. I think we're just gonna do it mainly server side. I'm not gonna do client and server. It's too complicating. And I just don't see like the benefit in doing that, you know what I mean? I still don't know the benefit in doing it like that, so I'm just not gonna do it like that. So, yeah, we don't need that then. M1s first. Okay, we'll do M1s first. Let's just let's do this out. We'll figure this out. Should all the M1s hit at the same time, or should we have different, like, slower M1s and stuff like that? Like, some M1s are slower, but they deal more damage. Should we do that? Because if we do something like that, we can have awakened. We can also put another thing in here, and we can just call it M1. Nah. And we could do the same thing. We could do this, and we could have movement for dashes and stuff. We shouldn't do that. Right. It's gonna be retro style, so we don't want to do like anything crazy either. Like we want it to just be kind of simple. So yeah, we won't do that. Character. Element should be under character. This fires to the client, and it runs in like the client side. This is when we have like client side effects and stuff like that. But I don't know if I don't want to do that. I don't see what the point is in making it so everyone's client can see it. I don't see the point of that. What would the point of that be? Let me check the script again. I'm gonna display so you guys can see too. See here, so it fires through here and then it goes to the replicator, which is the client side. I just don't get what the point of this would be. It doesn't have any hit detection, does it? It only detects like stuff like, it doesn't detect players, it detects stuff like environment. I guess because if it was server side, it would be a lot slower. It wouldn't match up with the player. I think that's why. Oh shit. Okay. Fine, we should do it like that then. Yeah, we should do it like that. Alright. So we got the character element is what is called ability. No, that's ability? What is this? Module.name equals require module. Client is what it's being fired from. Element is this. It checks for this so that they match up. So that should be called character. So this should be called module. No. I wrote this so shitty. Why did I? Or did I even write this? I don't even remember. Script art get children. It gets everyone in there. Require V. Okay, right. Then we could call this module. Right, that makes things a lot more simple. I can understand this now. So this is the character. This is the ability that's being used. And then that's the data. Data, I don't know. And then client data, yeah, okay. Because when we're firing through here, we're gonna have like client, which is like the user, who's firing the thing, and then data, which is just like anything. It's just a table of data. So it could be like, I don't know, burn time, stuff like that, stun time, just all that stuff. And these should only fire when a player is hit, right? That's how it should run. Thank you. Yeah, no, that's how it should run. When does it hit? No, this is just all effects. Maybe this is just really all effects. I don't think the hitting. I don't know when the hit. What does the hit detection happen? Charge. TS Moon Service. Gun Service. It doesn't even seem like he gets it. Oh, replicate storage assets. Fire. No, not that either. Weird. I don't know when it hits. When it detects that the player was hit or something. What about this one? So charge gets rid of the stamina. Cancel does nothing. Fireball. So it does. Wow, I'm so confused right now. You know, maybe I shouldn't even be looking at this. I think looking at it is what's confusing me. Also, what's up, Lukajo? Welcome to the stream. Looking at it is the thing that's confusing me right now. I just gotta do the thing. So this all works. We gotta make another one in. We gotta make a replicator basically, which will. No, wait, that's not me. That's like for one ability though. Charge, cancel, fireball. That's it. Fireball, crater, cancel, charge. That's like so many different things for one ability. This thing wasn't written right. There's no shot. You see, like, I know when the player is gonna press the ability. Say they have like an effect in their hand, right? They're gonna move, they're gonna turn their camera somewhere else. And it's gonna be delayed because it's server side. It's not like connected to their player, but no, that shouldn't even matter. Because when they throw it, it's gonna. The data is coming from the client. It'll be fine. Hitboxes are Hitboxes should be connected to their player like with a weld. So we shouldn't even have to worry about that. Never mind. Just never mind. We don't need the replicator. That was stupid. Just we don't need that. It's too much work. It makes things complicated. I don't see why we would ever need that. Anyways, let's start off with the M1s because I'm getting like way sidetracked. M1s are simple. We don't really need anything for it. Like we don't need a different module script for it. It would be helpful though, so we probably should use it. I don't know. Okay, M1s. Let's start with that. Server script, remote event, and this is gonna be called server, and then M1. So anyway, so the local script is just so we can detect the punch. I think we're also gonna make the hitbox inside the local script, because that would make things like line up a lot better. And then whenever it detects the player inside of that, we're gonna send it through the remote event to the server script, and it's gonna, it's gonna do the thing. But I need to search up something. Our module scripts, local or server. I'm pretty sure it just depends on what you put it on. And it won't show up on the server. Okay, so it just depends, yeah, it depends what you require it through. We just have the same hitbox for each one. Like, what I used to do was I would write like a different line of code for like each punch. I think we could probably just do one line of code, and certain values will change depending on which punch he's on. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it inside of this because I don't think the animations are the only thing that's gonna matter. Animations, we can change that all through whatever character they pick, basically. So then whenever they choose an ability, I think we'll do this and then animations. We have an animations folder. So M1's movement. These can just go in mechanics. Character. Mechanics. Animations and sounds. I don't think we need a sounds folder. Where would the animations go in? Well, just character, obviously. Never mind. We're just gonna put the animations in character. So then here. Okay. So values is character values, animations is character character. But that might get confusing. I should probably change this to something else. But what could this be? What's another word for character? Not ability, because that's their moveset. Selected? Whatever, we'll just stick with character. It'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. Character animations. Yeah, okay. Oh, right. Negative values, another thing would be attacking. Attacking. And then N-lag is interesting because N-lag, well, it depends on which. N-lag shouldn't apply to M1s, I'm pretty sure. But actually, we're gonna have to test this. Let's go into like the strongest battlegrounds or something. We're going to the strongest battlegrounds. Not. Oh, not public. Whoa, what the hell? Oh, the voting thing. I've been in this game for a while. Alright. We're gonna test this out real quick. When we do a normal punch, yeah, there's like N lag between when we can do our other ability. But I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. But I'm pretty sure M1s don't count towards that. No. No, it seems like everything counts towards it. Okay, maybe I was wrong. I guess I was wrong. But I know dashing. I think I got it mixed up. What the hell? Why do they have point? Like decimal points now. Anyway, I messed up. It was dashing. Dashing doesn't have any like N lag or anything. Like you can just like attack at any point in a dash. So we don't have to worry about values like N lag or stuff like that. We can just use attacking. Attacking is the N lag. Alright. Yeah, we'll do that then. So attacking. Yeah, that's all we need. Alright, so now we do user input servers. Right, I forgot about that. Here, so user UIS input began next. What? I don't know. Why did that happen? Input is typing. So this checks if they're typing. So if they're typing, we're not going to want the ability to execute. So we're just going to return. But if input equals, or no, input.keycode equals nm.keycode 1. No, that doesn't work. 1. There. So if they pressed 1, then we're gonna do the ability for. Wait, no. Hold on. No. We're doing it for mouse. I'm so dumb. Here, local mouse equals player dot mouse. No, player get mouse. Okay, there we go. Hold on, get rid of like all of this. The mouse dot button one down connect function. So if their button one is down, we're gonna have all the values for like cooldowns and stuff in here too. So local debounce. So if db doesn't equal true, then, or not then, okay, wait. No, then for that values dot end values. If v dot value equals true or doesn't equal true, then no, equals true, then return end. So this we should be able to, let's test it. So print went through server is not a valid member. Oh, this is this script. Yeah, this isn't. Don't worry about that. So we click. I forgot this. Get children. Alright, so it went through. It's going through. So now, if we go values, end values, and we'll just make grabbed equals true. So now we click, it's not printing it. Make it equal false, and it's printing it again. Okay, good. It works then. So that's super simple. I thought we were gonna have to do like, have another value, make it equal true, then check if it equals true, then no, it just return. Super easy. Alright, nice. So now this checks anytime we're attacking, ragdolled, stun, grabbed, this just won't work. And also if db doesn't equal true. db is basically, so if all that happens, then this is what we do. So db equals true. So now debounce is like the cooldown. So now we do like wait like 1 and then db equals false. So now we can click it again. So here's we'll test that. Print punch. So we can only punch once every second. See, we're spamming click, but we can only punch once every second. Don't worry about that infinite yield. That's the other script. We don't have to worry about that right now. Alright, look at that. So that works perfectly fine. But we gotta do this now. So that's animations, that's value. So local note equals script dot remote event. So whenever that fires, we're gonna fire this, fire server, and then it will fire to the server. But first we have to count which punch we're on. Right now we're just clicking it. We don't know what M1 we're on right now. That's why we're gonna have local count equals 0. So db equals true, so count plus equals 1 if count is over 4, then count equals 0, else count. Yeah, we did this wrong. Hold on. This doesn't go there. So now we check if count is over 4. So 4 is the max amount of punches. Then we're gonna do count equals 0, which is like just resets it. So we could like do like a little config here. Actually, we don't need to do that. That's just extra work. So local max punch, max punches, or max M1 equals 4. So that's the maximum amount of M1s we could do. Equals 4. So if we wanted like more punches, we could do that or that, but it would sort of mess things up. So yeah, never mind. Just always, it's always gonna be 4 anyway. So like, but that's just an example. If there's anything that like we want to tweak, you would do something like damage. You would do local damage equals 5. So instead of putting in the script and every time you want to change the damage, you have to like change the values in the script, like every single one, you just change this one number and it would change all of them because they're all gonna have like damage next to them and stuff like that. But because it's M1s, it's always gonna be 4. If it's 5, it'll look for a 5th animation, there won't be one, it'll just cause an error, stuff like that. So it's always gonna be 4. Anyway, now we know which punch it is, so here's what we can do. We're gonna fire the server and we're gonna put count as a value. So if we go to the server script, local remote equals script dot parent dot remote event. So remote on server event connect function. First, we have to do the player, or I guess the client, and then count. So now we can do print count. So that should print what punch we're on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it goes up to 5. That's an issue. It should only be going up to 4. So let's check why that's happening. So if count is over 4, then it'll equal 0. Now here's what we do. Plus equals 1. So if it's over 4, it'll equal 0 and then immediately go to 1. That's how it's supposed to go. It fixed the 0 issue, but we're still going up to 5. Why does that happen? If it's over 4. Oh, but if it is 4, it's still gonna do plus equals 1. I see. So if it's over 3. Or we could make it even more simple. We could just do if it equals 4. Yeah, that makes more sense. I don't know why I was making it complicated like that. See, that works. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But still, we don't have a cooldown anymore because we removed our wait. Because it doesn't wait at all. Cooldowns are a little weird because we can't just put like wait and then just let it happen. Like we have to. There's like a bunch of things we have to do first. So no, what the hell? We have to attacking first of all. We do debounce equals true, but there's no way for any other script to tell that we're attacking. So what we're gonna do is debounce. Obviously, debounce has to equal true. But we have to do this. So values dot. I think we could just do local n values equals values dot n values. I'll make things easier. more compact. All right. End values dot attacking dot value equals true. So now, anytime this fires, like it equals true. I think we put it after debounce. Debounce is priority. They fire at the same frame. I don't know why I do that. I always put like what I feel like should be a priority in front. I don't know why. It doesn't make any sense. Whatever. Anyways. Because these fire on like the same, not even the same frame. Like before anything even renders, this fires. I don't know why I do that. Also, what's up, Rain? Welcome to the stream. So now, anytime we do this, it's gonna attacking is gonna equal true, debounce equals false, attacking equals false. So now, no move can fire while we're doing this move because attacking equals false. So if we really wanted to, no, we don't gotta test it. You just gotta believe me. All right. So remote event count, and now we need the cooldown. I mean, I guess we could just wait. Oh, right, no. There's a thing. So here's what's happening right now. We got our punches, right? It's going up all the way to 4, but there's an issue. So look, we can do 1 and then 2 punches, and then we wait. Like wait forever, and then 3 and 4. We don't want that. That's not how it works. We want our punches to reset after a while. So that's what this is gonna be. And it's a lot of shit, so... Whoa. Where am I? Here. I gotta look at one of my other scripts. And I think I can compact it, because they did it like so... There's so many lines of script, I'm pretty sure you can compact it just into one. I'm gonna try and do that. Let me just get it real quick. It's this right here. Time to attack. And then, so if the combo equals this, else if combo equals that, all the... So then it just waits. So we're just gonna grab all this. So this is our time to attack. I'm pretty sure, like I'm pretty sure, right? I don't know. I'm not positive. Also, let's check this again. Spawn function, repeat task, wait. Oh, this is for canceled. Yeah, this is how long it was just to make like an M1 script. This is really bad. It worked though. Like if I test it right now, see it worked fine. It's 5 M1s, but see, and then it resets. So we're trying to get this, but the code is so like non-compact. Also, there's an error, I guess. But the code is so like non-compact that it's just like so difficult when you're trying to like go through it all. So anyways, yeah, that's what we were trying to do. And you can see here what I meant. You get through each one. So if stunned doesn't equal true, ragdoll doesn't equal true, grab doesn't equal true. See how you guys should go through each one. It's just so terrible. It's so bad. Very bad. Anyway. We wait for that, and then time to attack. So if count, I guess it would make sense to call it combo, huh? That's what it was called there. I'm gonna change that. So yeah, okay. So if combo equals 1, we spawn a function, we wait. The reason we spawn a function is so that nothing gets interrupted when we spawn a function. So waiting, it's like, think of it like this. If we had something play here, and then we did task.wait 1 second, and then we printed bye. It would say hello, wait a second, then say bye. However, if we wrapped it in a function, so we did spawn function like that, and then we did task wait here, it would do hello and then bye instantly, completely ignoring this, because this is a function. Nothing that plays in here will affect whatever passes through. So hello and bye are just going to play instantly, instead of like waiting. So that's why we're spawning these in a function, so that they don't, the wait commands right here don't interfere with anything. So yeah, you see here, if combo equals 1, then we do that. I feel like we should be able to compact this into literally just 1. So time to attack local TTA equals like 2 seconds. 1, 2, I think 2. So it's gonna wait the time to attack. If combo equals 1, here's what we could do. It's a function, right? It's its own thing. So we could do local previous combo equals combo. So it's basically, it's saving this number basically. So we shouldn't need if combo equals 1. We spawn the function local prev combo equals combo. If combo equals previous combo, and combo equals 0. That's it. That should literally be it, right? We're gonna test it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it works normally. Wait. See, it goes back to 1. Wait 2 seconds. Goes back. Wait 2 seconds. Bro, aren't I like crazy? How we turn like that long ass script into just this? I'm telling you, that's why I mean, like I feel like I've learned so much. I just want to remake everything. I feel like it would be way more way better. And then look at that. It's perfect. It works literally perfectly. The reason prev combo saves here, the reason it doesn't change when we click again is because it's a function. Like I said earlier, it's its own thing. We spawn a function right there, and it basically, just think of it, it just takes it. It just brings it somewhere else. It's its own thing. The function's over here. So whenever it loops again and goes through here, it's not going to change this, because that's just going to spawn another function, and that's going to go over there. Like, they're different things. They're not going to affect each other. So that's what I mean. And it's waiting, and if combo equals the same one, so if we still have, the combo hasn't changed, and combo is this, it's not like saving to a different thing. That's why it works. It's kind of hard to explain it, but it just works. Also, let's change these Sid the Kid these Sid the Kid animations. I don't like them. They're making me angry. So we gotta save this. What do we call the game? Retro Battlegrounds? Is that good? We could do a poll on it. We could do a whole ass poll. Retro Battlegrounds or not. Oh wait, I just realized I'm on break screen. There we go. Yeah, Retro Battlegrounds. I'll do a little poll on it. So you guys can vote in chat. What should we call the game? We'll do Retro Battlegrounds. Retro Arena? Arena wouldn't do good. Arena wouldn't get a lot of clicks, I know that one. I'm just gonna put it as an option. And then, I don't know. Crossover? Because we're just doing a bunch of games. I don't know. Honestly, Retro Battlegrounds is the only one I think would do good. Or, I'm just, like, I don't think any other one would do good, to be honest. Crossover Battlegrounds, it's a good concept, but because it's gonna be retro themed, it just wouldn't work with the game. Yeah, no, there's no. We're just gonna call it retro battlegrounds. Crossover would be cool. It would be cool. Crossover battlegrounds is like a cool name for a game. Well, if we're gonna do retro style, it would just make sense to call it retro battlegrounds. But if we're not gonna do retro style, we should just call it crossover. So for now, we're gonna call it retro. If we decide to change it in the future, then we'll do that. Alright. Save it. Now we can change the settings. When you get how people play your game, it's crossover because you get trust and kind of fandoms. Yeah, true. Maybe we should just call it that, and just it'll just be retro styled. Crossover. Yeah, I fuck with that. Anyway, Avatar R6. Get rid of them syndicate animations. Now we're good. Now, here's a thing though. Here's an issue. If hold on. If it equals, look, here, I'll show you guys the other issue. I'll show you. You can fly. Hold on. When we're punching, it's normal. We wait. It resets. It's fine. But look. See how it switches, like after the fourth M1, there's no cooldown. I mean, there's no cooldown between any of them. That wasn't really, I should have put a cooldown, hold on. But let's just do this. Task.wait delay. Local delay equals 0.4. Also, I think I'm gonna put this like 1 point at that. So the delay. See, now we can't spam it. There's like a small delay. But you see, so there's still a delay, but look. We go to the fourth M1, immediately the combo resets. There needs to be like a little period after the last punch where we're not punching. The way we can do that is simple. And here's what we do. So local last delay equals 2. So it's kind of like a cooldown. Okay, wait, cooldown equals 1. Here, if combo doesn't equal 4, then else that. Task.wait delay, else task.wait cooldown. There we go. That should be fine, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it works. Alright, perfect. Yeah, no, we still have to make this longer, honestly. The time to attack should just be 1, honestly. It should just be it should just be cooldown. Same length as the cooldown, but we might change the values in the future, so we're not gonna make it cooldown. It would be weird. But here's another thing. Here's another thing. We're probably gonna have a thing, right? With the last punch. If they hit the punch, so like if hit equals true, then, or no, if hit doesn't equal true, then we're gonna wait a little bit and stun them. We're gonna stun them for however long we wait. Because if you miss the last punch in like normal games, you get like a little stun. And you can't, the cooldown basically is longer. In this case, we're just gonna stun them for like a second. And then they're gonna have to wait the cooldown again, and then it'll be good. My stream is so pixelated. I'm such a skibbity. These are 2 different statements. I don't know what to take of any of them. Is it still pixelated? I mean, I could lower the delay, but like then chat would come in slower. Alright. So we did the basics, but now we need the hitbox. That's what we need. We need the hitbox. How are we gonna do that? Very simple, I hope. What we gotta do. You know, we could. Here's something that we can do. Here's something we can do, okay? We could do, instead of character, or in server script, server side, instead of having it go through here, like M1 and then go through here to register, I think we could just put like the actual hit detection through server side in here. So we can call this M1, and then these thing, awakening, we don't gotta matter. These would be called like 1. I don't know if that works. Hold on. Does that work? No. 1. There we go. Come on. That's gotta work. How is that? How? Explain to me how that doesn't work. Expected that. Not that. No, that's not. You don't get it. It's supposed to. Hold on. 1. Combo 1. Oh! Yeah! No. It's fine. Because we could do this. So. Combo 1. Or no. Combo. No, wait, fuck. Hold on. We do punch combo. So that will do punch 1. And then we can go to the M1. Punch 1. Like that. Punch 2. Punch 3 and punch 4. That would be helpful, you know what I mean? I think that would be fine. So, we would also be able to do this. Punch 4 uppercut, punch for down slam. Like that. Because we're gonna need an uppercut and a down slam too. Also, these don't have to be called Gojo, they gotta be called that. Because these are gonna be two completely different things. And I feel like doing it in like whatever fashion we would before just won't work. Alright. Punch 1, punch 2, punch 3, punch 4, uppercut. We could just call it down slam like this. Down slam and uppercut. Because we could do like in here. No, because the hitbox is going to be different for each thing. It's just going to be a hitbox in front of them for the first three. If punch, or if combo doesn't equal 4, then do that, else. And then we could even do this. We can put the delay in here. Delay in there. Do that. Do that. And then we could also do like if they're holding down. So we do still need user input servers. UIS or local UIS equals game get service user input service. Is it welcome me back? Yo, what's up, Ryu? Welcome back. We're doing the M1s right now. So how do we check if they're holding space? Local check space. Yeah, check space equals UIS dot input began. Like, actually, hold on. There might be an easier way to do this. How to check if someone is holding the space. Is key down. If user is key down, then oh, okay, that's easier. Hold on, we could do if UIS dot is. Dude, these fucking flies, bro. Okay, is key down, and then dot key code space. Then first we have to check if they're airborne. So here we can do this. Local state equals values dot states, right? States dot airborne value is true then else if that. So the reason we check if they're airborne first, right? Because they can be airborne and still holding space. So that's why we want to check if they're airborne first. If they're airborne, we do the ground slam. Else, if they're just holding space, they're not airborne, we do the uppercut. And then else, it's just the last punch normally. We do this, that, and that. So if combo doesn't equal that, we can do ground slam, uppercut, and then punch combo. So now, yeah, that works. Look at that. Uppercut, down slam. Wait, did I mix them up? Airborne should be ground slam. Let's just move these to organize it better. Alright, nice. I did! I literally just did! What are you talking about? You people are deaf, I swear to God. This is like last time, I'm like, bro, he never welcomes me back after I literally did. Shin. Or not you, someone else. But you too. Alright. Alright, that works. We fire that. Wait. This is not. We're not firing. We have to actually do the animation in here. We're not like changing anything about this. So hold on. Character, animations. This animation. Is there like an animation group I can use? No. What's animation controller? I don't know what that is. I was in Overwatch rank and had to mute stream. Oh, I see. Alright. M1 animation. No, just M1s. Animations. 2, 3, 4, 6. So punch 1, punch 2, punch 3, punch 4, ground slam, and uppercut. So now we gotta animate, which I don't really want to do. We gotta do animation. I don't want to do none of that. Alright, well, we don't gotta do animations actually right now, but it would be better if we did. Do we animate or do we just keep scripting? You gotta pick one. I would just keep animating, or I would go animate. But we could also just keep scripting, because we don't need animations to keep doing the script. It would be better if we had them so we can align them together, but it's like, it's not necessary. We could just keep scripting, honestly. But for now, we should make the hitbox. That's the other thing we should make. So hitbox. I'm not gonna make a new hitbox for each thing, so we'll do local hitbox equals instance.new part pants. What? Part? Why is pant? What is pants? I guess shirt, pants. Yeah. Okay. No. Never mind. The part, and we do local. Or no, we don't. Hitbox.size equals like that. vector3.new. Right? We're gonna have to weld the part to the player's torso as well. Hitbox dot can collide equals false. Hitbox dot transparency equals 1. Hitbox dot can collide transparency. What else? Oh, massless equals true. Make it transparent. Alright, we don't, it doesn't matter where. I'm doing the priority thing again, like, I'm gonna stop doing that. Hitbox. So now we have to make a weld. So local weld constraint. We just call it weld equals instance.new weld constraint. So weld.part 0 equals hroot weld.part 1 equals hitbox, and hitbox.parent equals. Now here's something interesting. Should we add destruction to the game or no? Cause we could technically add destruction in a way. We can add a folder, because here we're gonna have to add folders like this. So folder, we're gonna have a map folder, and then we could do inside the map, we can put another folder, and we can have destructible. And then we can put parts in here that would be able to be destroyed. Right here we have to have VFX. I'm making a Battlegrounds game? Yeah. VFX, and then what else can we have? No, we're gonna have hitboxes in one. Well, those could go in VFX. Or FX, I guess. Put an FX folder. Because we don't want anything to be able to collide with the FX. That's why we have to make it separate from the map. Same with the script. Or hitboxes, so yeah, let me just put hitboxes in FX. You know how to code to script? Oh really? How good are you at it? Like on what? Like, are you able to read? Like, you're able to understand most of the stuff that's happening here? Wait, FX, the reason I want hitboxes to be in here because anything that's in here won't be registered. I don't want to have to register it twice. And I also want hitboxes to have its own like folder because I want to be able to enable hitboxes for players. So like if it gets enabled, then anything in here, you'll be able to see it, basically. Hitbox.parent equals workspace.fx. We'll just local fx equals workspace.fx. Local hitbox equal fx.hitboxes. The work, it equals hitbox. Let's just test this. Not that good, but you have knowledge of it. I mean, you gotta start like somewhere. You know, like my scripting is just starting to get like pretty good, and I've never like went to school for it or anything like that. I literally just kept making Roblox games. And like I didn't even like I wasn't even like doing it 24/7. Like there was like long breaks. I would take like big breaks. The second I really started getting into it is when I started getting better. And like the best way you can learn is just searching stuff up. Even like taking scripts. At first, you're gonna like be taking a lot of scripts and just kind of understanding how stuff works, not really writing anything. Eventually, you'll be writing the scripts that you copy. So you'll search stuff up and then start writing them. You can get a better understanding that way. And then you'll start making your own scripts. That's like the order that I did it in, at least. And that's how I was able to just self-teach myself. There's still like a lot of stuff I'm learning right now. Like this, all like a lot of the stuff right here. Module scripts especially is something new I learned. They're super good. Very helpful. You also learn how to organize stuff, like instead of writing like animations inside a script, it's kind of better to just have your animations in a folder, in my opinion, because then you can like switch what animations play. Same with sound service. I like putting my sounds in here now. Even though you can put them in workspace, I just feel like it's easier putting in here because then you could do, I don't know, you could do like a sound group and just like organize them in sound groups. It just looks better, in my opinion. Like I did it for my other game, but I won't go over it right now. We need to hitbox has to well. Oh, transparency equals. Let me do 0.5. I should have done that. Alright, does that work? Being added. They're being added in, but like I don't know where. What size are they to? Position. Here you go. Okay, they're like really far away for some reason. Oh, they're under me. Ah, I see. Okay. I don't know why that's working. Call the game Retro Heroes. I feel like Battlegrounds would just be like, it would get it more attention. Everyone clicks anything that's called Battlegrounds. Weld constraint. We have to weld it. Yeah, I don't know. Why is it not positioned in front? I thought like when you weld something, it would just immediately teleport to you. Oh, anchored. That's why. Honestly, I'm kind of like, I don't know what I should do. I don't know if I should write my hitboxes or I should actually just make them inside like a folder. Like in replicated storage, you could just a hitbox folder. I don't know. I feel like this is probably easier. It's quicker to like put a part and then you could like size it however you think seems fit. But it's just gonna be harder to organize because like you gotta put so many different like you have to have hitboxes for this character, this character. I feel like it would be harder to organize that way. So I feel like it's probably easier just to write it like this. I already made a fighting game using raycast hitbox modules. Like raycasting, like with that one hitbox raycast module. What was it called? It was like it's the type of thing you put on swords, and you have to put like a bunch of like points on them, and then the lines come off the points like that. That's what you mean? Or you just used raycasting for the hitboxes? Because I remember there's a module I downloaded for one of my games, and it was like a easy M1 hitbox thing. These aren't at all. Oh! I know why. Hold on. Because weld, the welds dot parent equals H root or hitbox? Hitbox, because then I just have to delete the hitbox. This part should be like that. Yeah, use that one. Yeah, I like that one. That one's really nice. It's really good for if you're doing like a game like that one ZO something, where it's just like you're not moving a lot and it's just you need accurate swords, like sword hitboxes and stuff, and then you can do like collisions, a bunch of stuff like that. I wanted to make a game like with detailed collisions like that. I never got to, I don't think it would be good for very quick moving games because Roblox kind of shit with hit detection. So you gotta make like big box hitboxes for it to actually be smooth, because you're gonna be like moving around a lot and stuff. But when you're walking, hit detection is easier that way, so it works really nice. Okay, yeah, we're getting there. But they're spawning in the middle. Oh, that's weird. I don't think this is supposed to be happening. Can I just make a vortex? Look at that. Alright, we gotta position them in front of my guy. Ping differences makes me hate Battlegrounds games. I still play them though. Yeah, because like where you can get hit in like the back and stuff. I don't know if I don't like games that do that where you can get hit in the back. Because Roblox like delays and stuff just makes it really shitty to play with. It also makes like a really shitty playstyle where all you gotta do is like dash behind them. It's like not fun at all to play, so I'm probably not gonna do that, and instead I'm gonna add like a button where you can press like E or R and it'll do like a kick. And anyone that's, it's kind of like a grab in fighting games where anyone that's blocking, you just like hit them and they'll stop blocking. Stuff like that. Yeah. I'm probably going to do something like that though. Definitely. Now we just gotta position it. I think we do hitbox dot position equals hroot dot position. Then we just gotta move it like in front a little bit. Alright, yeah, there, we're getting there. Wait, what? It doesn't rotate with us. We gotta also rotate. I'm becoming queso, bro. Holy shit. Alright. We're gonna rotate. We'll do the C frame. Doing the C frame is better. That will also rotate with us, right? Block breaking? Not block breaking, but you know in Battlegrounds game when they roll back? So if they're blocking and you kick them, it'll roll them. If they're not blocking, they're just gonna roll really far and you can't combo. But if they are blocking, they're gonna roll enough to where you can do a Q dash. That type of thing. But there's not gonna be any block breaking though. So I'm gonna do it like that. And then every character can have their own animation for their kick or whatever. It would make it so like people won't hold block as much, but it'll make blocking more balanced. It'll make so you don't gotta like worry about people touching your ass and shit and trying to hit you behind. Alright, now we just do vector that times vector 3. I think if we do like something like this, it'll move. Oh shit. Unable expected dot vector 3. Oh. C frame dot here. Okay, yeah, so it always moves to the side, so we just gotta move it to the front. We've almost got it. Not quite. Hold on. Negative. Negative 1.5. How about that? There we go. Hitbox. We just got to make it bigger and we'll be good. We'll make it like 4. We'll double the -3. That's a good hitbox for M1s. Actually, no, we should be moving it back a bit because the way they get detected, it's better to move it back. We'll do 2. We'll do 2. I should move it back like a whole stud, right? Yeah. I feel like that'll be good hitbox. Honestly, we can even move it back another. I think 1 might be too much. Yeah, 1 is too much. 1.5. Dot touched? No, never use dot touched. That's like for hitbox. Like, okay, dot touched you use for games like obbies for like when they hit like a death part or like a door or something. That's what you use those for. But if you want like accurate hitboxes, if you use the touched command, if you like spawn the hitbox for like 0.2 seconds and delete it, it won't register. So basically it takes like, it's delayed. The registering for it is delayed by like 0.2 seconds or something. So you gotta use stuff like raycasting or get parts in. Get parts in and raycasting I think are like the best options. And so for big hitboxes, you're gonna use, I think you'd use get parts in, but for like small M1 type hitboxes, you use raycast. At least that's what I do. A noob at raycasting, yeah, it's actually it's hard, it's complicated, but it's also kind of easy once you understand how it works. So this makes the hitbox. I don't think it matters if we do like this, right? You want to change anything? Yeah. Oh, but they're not welded yet, that's the issue. So it might be kinda delayed, so I feel like it would be better if we this is like moving the position. If we move the position then weld it, there might be a little like point where you like move your screen really fast. It would like not be in the right position. I don't think so because this all happens before rendering, but that's just what I do. I don't know why I do that. I really don't. I think it's because it happened once, but it didn't have to because they weren't rendered. There was like a wait period, but I still just do it. It's a good habit, I guess, but it can waste sometimes. Anyway, yeah. So okay, we got the hitbox. Wait the delay. Oh, hold on. We gotta wrap this in a spawn function, I think. Oh, wait, no. Shit. We wrap this in a function. These parts. Because we're gonna have to wait for the hitbox to disappear. There. Now if we wait in here, it won't be affected or anything. And also, I guess not up here, but right here, we're gonna do local function, or local hit detect. Hit detection equals hitbox. This is where we do like the ray casting and stuff. I guess I don't know how to do ray casting yet, so I'm gonna have to search it up. I can only do it when I search it up. I don't know how to do it like by heart yet. Even get parts in is kind of complicated. But let's see. Do this. Task.wait. Local hitbox time equals 0.2. Not only do we have to do that, because we can put the welds in the hitbox. That's fine. But hitbox.parent going into hitboxes, we have to wait for that. Because there's gonna be a small delay before the punch where we have to like not spawn the hitbox. Because of how the punch animation is gonna work. That's why I was saying it would be better if we do animations first. We might have to go do animations, honestly. Test out, wait that. Gotta do. That. Task out, wait. I don't know, we'll just do random numbers right now. And then hitbox destroy. Same with that. Same with that. Same with that. Yeah, there we go. I guess we should move it forward a bit. It looks weird when it's in my arms, I don't know why. I just steal animations from Toolbox. Oh yeah. I guess because I always made animations from scratch, I was able to learn how to animate too. I suck at modeling though. I'm not good at modeling. I'm not really good at VFX. I'm not good at finding sound effects either, honestly. I can only really model and then kind of animate. Or I can only really script and then kind of animate. This is working good. So when we jump and hit, we're gonna have the hitbox be down there. And then uppercut, we can move the hitbox up a little. So here's how we can do that. Oh, okay. Right. This isn't right. There. Position it. Before hitting. Because we're gonna have to move it. We could just do this. Like that should just move it up one, right? Wait, why'd that happen? Now they're not in sync. Oh! Okay, because we have to. Okay, so we're gonna have to move them either way. I see, okay. Because it's waiting now. So we have to put the orientation there. They're in sync. And the reason they stay is because it's welded to them. So now when I click, it waits a bit. I feel like 0.2 is not a lot. We could do like, well, hitbox time. I didn't put them as hitbox time. Hitbox. Delay. And hitbox time. Maybe we can compact this too. Cause this is kind of I'm not raging. Actually, if I compact, I can like. It would just make a lot more if statements. I don't know if that would be better. Right? Like, hold on. But we'll try it. Right? If combo doesn't equal 4, then else. So if states dot airborne dot value is true, then else if this, else if combo else normal. But then hitbox destroy at the end either way. Hitbox delay waits the same. We could just do like this. I feel like that's more compact than it was before. Right? You're gonna use that. Blender is such. Blender's like the best thing you could learn. You can model there. Animations are way smoother there too. Like that, and VFX too in Blender. Like Blender's the best spot. You can learn like so much. I'm too lazy. But yeah, no, definitely if you're gonna start somewhere, do Blender. It's perfect. Oh wait, I found the issue. Isn't this just the same thing? Wait. If combo doesn't equal 4, then and then else if airborne else if I feel like this is just the same thing I just did. Else that. No, it does seem more. Compact. They all have to wait the hitbox, don't they? So now I should be able to do up, no, down. That's up. This is down. Right? Yeah, there we go. Now it's going up whenever I hold space. But we have to make the jump my jump power has to equal 0. If that's gonna work. Also, we want it to work like while we're holding it down. It does it. I could do that. Just I could do that. Could we do wow mouse dot button 1 down do? Wait, we can? Hold on. That actually work? I think I forgot to add a weight. Oops. Yeah. Come on. task dot wait. No, it's just looping. It doesn't, yeah, it doesn't matter when I come out. Or it doesn't matter at all. I don't think I even press anything. Yeah. Never mind. True? Does that work? Oh wait, that worked. No. I don't. It's not even a very efficient way either. It's fine. A more efficient way would be this. So local rs equals game get saves run saves. This is what we would do. So rs.heartbeat connect function. Here's what we do. So local connection equals that. We put all of this in here. I think. Wait, yeah. No, yeah, because then we do mouse dot button one up connect function connection destroy or disconnect. Now, yeah, we can hold it down, but when we let go, it stops. All right, nice. Couldn't we then do, like, make it so that while this is running, our jump power equals nothing, right? If that doesn't equal true. That happens, and then humanoid dot jump power equals 0. Same thing equals 50. Try it. Yeah, that doesn't seem to work. I'm not sure why. Hold on. Jump power. This wouldn't work because we still have to wait after the cooldown, but it's like not even doing anything. Jump power. Use jump power. Oh, we have to set use jump power to true. Yeah, see, after the 4th one, we don't jump for a long time. We don't want that. Only when we're punching. But that doesn't really work. Oh yeah, you're right. Using jump power and height. If we use jump height, I don't see what the point is. Okay, jump power. I feel like it should equal 0 as long as we're holding down. So while we're holding down this, it equals 0. But then it equals 50. And we can also go start our player jump power. So now we can't jump just as long as we're holding click. So immediately when we let go. That causes some issues here, like it's not a very good strat. It doesn't work. It's not really good. How the fuck do... Let's try Saitama Battlegrounds. The strongest Battlegrounds. See how they do it. I have no clue. I'll be able to figure it out. So after you punch, you just can't hit for a while. Hold on. Okay, it doesn't pull you to the ground, it's just no jump. I think it's the same thing as stun. Whatever they do for stun, it's the same thing. It's just not really a value. So it's the same thing as stun. Like you click it, there's a period where you can't jump. If you click it again, it loops the timer. It resets the timer. So I gotta add like something like that whenever I make stun. The way I can do this is I add a module script. And it'll just, anytime we fire to this thing, well, we have to add local scripts. Or would it be a server script? Oh shit, wait. No, we do it through the server script, but not in the player. Through this server side. We just have to add another section down here for it. We'll do that later though, but... So this is where we're gonna have states. State module. So state... Do we even... Yeah, no, wait. No, we still need the values. We don't really... We don't need the jump power thing, though. Moves will slow you. It sets you to walking. Some moves will stop you completely, some moves will make you slower. That isn't controlled by anything. This does make you go to walking speed though when you punch. Because I forgot we're gonna have to have like sprinting too. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So we want to set them to walking whenever they punch. Basically. I guess, what do we call that? A semi-stun? No, that's something else. Semi-stun is where you're stunned but you can block. That's what semi-stun is. What would this be then? Just... I mean, it only happens M1 stun, I guess. Or M1ing. Let's call it the M1ing state. I don't know. Awakened states, airborne, grounded. Attacking, counter, I think. Punching. That could be a state. So while you're punching, you just can't run, and your speed is your walk speed is. You go to walking, and your jump power is set to 0. Value module. That's what we should call it. Yo, thanks for the sub, Mushy. PSP Discord server, everyone's begging for KJ. Wow. I imagine. Why is this? Oh. So yeah, their walk speed will equal like, well, just walking, and then jump power 0. All right. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that right now though. We just gotta worry about this. Airborne. We have to make the airborne state. So whenever they're in, we have to have a script. We have to have scripts inside of this. So, like checking scripts. Value checker, I guess. Their value changes. Humanoid dot get state? No. Humanoid dot maybe it's character. Character dot no. Hold on, let's see. How to get humanoid state changes. State change. Change state. Yeah, that's what I did. What? Random dot humanoid state. Right. State changed. That's what it is. I guess it doesn't register it. Function old state, new state. Print new state. Not a valid member of that. Come to index nil with disconnect. I clicked. What do you think is better? Hay fruits or the runner battlegrounds? What are you talking? Oh, fruit battlegrounds? You're the strongest battlegrounds? Is that what you're talking about? I've never played fruit battlegrounds. BF, I don't know what BF is either. Battlegrounds fruits. Is that what it's called? Blox fruits. Oh, Blox fruits sucks ass. It's not a good game. It's like simulator game. Blox fruits is literally a simulator game. Actually, that's all it is. That's why I don't like it. Connection just. Why is it going nil? If connection doesn't equal nil. State change is not a valid member of humanoid. That's weird. Wait for child humanoid. Humanoid state changed. Why is it not working? State changed is not a valid member. State change. Oh, dot state change. And I also didn't do this. Connect. There. The jumping. Okay. We could just do whenever. There should be like a little delay. So whenever it changes to if new state equals enum dot state humanoid state type dot freefall, then it'll do that. We'll task spawn function task dot wait. Shit, I don't know, man. Wait, we can check. So save their humanoid. So local previous state current state equals new state, not old state, just previous state. Here. So if prev state still equals new state, then or still equals that, then am I writing this completely wrong? Wait. No, if it equals freefall, then we do that. Wait, test out. Let me just test something. Print new state. Let me test that. Okay, yeah, no. That's what I thought. So we can't do that. But we do have to do previous state. So local prev state equals new state. Then we can do print prev. What? That doesn't seem very right. If it fires regardless, why is it print prev state? Landed Running. Shouldn't it equal running? Why is it equal free fall? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense at all. I can just get state. Humanoid get state. Right? That works. Get state. Let me find this. Returns the humanoid's current state type. There we go. Okay, so if humanoid get state equals still equals free fall, so we don't need none of this previous state stuff. So if it still equals free fall, then this is harder than I thought it would be. Because how would I do it the other way around? Once it's not free falling, once it equals landed, that's what it is. Else if new state equals enum that humanoid state landed, then one function test wait it doesn't equal free falling. Shit. Alright, now we can do local values. The character dot values. Local states equals values dot states. States dot airborne equals or dot value equals false. This one makes it equal true. Check our little guy right here. Airborne. That is. So weights 1, if it still equals free fall, I think not 1, I think it needs to be like 0.2 or something. Yeah, that works. Because I think that works. Please use a custom map, not some crossroads. Oh no, I'm making crossroads, definitely. I'm using that. It depends. It depends on what the game's gonna be. If it's gonna be retro styled, we're gonna do like classic maps. If it's gonna be normal, we'll do custom maps. Also, what's up, full map took? I think I said that right. Like in this stream. Like, here's the thing. I want to do retro because it's easier to make since I'm just one person. It would also be kind of cool. It would be a cool style. Let me also print so I can see what's going on. Print not airborne. Yeah, there we go. That's good. We don't have to remake it every time, so wait, we could just do this. And this doesn't equal true. And this equals true. There we go. Now it doesn't like repeat it. I wonder if landed, like, maybe airborne should just detect if you're over the ground or not. Like, how far you are above the ground. Because then we could also detect, like, if someone's airborne when they're ragdolled. I think that would be better. Because, like, if you knock someone in the air, you want to make them airborne. For now, this works, but in the future, we'll do that. Yeah, so if that's true, then this should work, right? Yeah, there we go, it works. Two, three. We can also just make it easier to see. You can just print. Whatever. Alright, well, I think we've done a lot today. I'll probably do more off stream. I just gotta take a break and figure some stuff out for the game. Yeah, thanks to everyone that joined the stream today. I'll do more streams if you guys want me to. If not, I'll just keep working on it online. I'll do polls in the Discord too for the game. Like, if you guys want something, I'm gonna do a bunch of polls for what I should add to the game. Stuff to like make decisions and shit like that. So join the Discord if you guys want to do little polls like that. If you guys want to choose what gets added to the game and stuff like that. Suggestions. I do have a game suggestions channel in my Discord, yeah. Under games, you can just suggest like anything. I'm pretty sure anyone's allowed to post there, right? At everyone create posts. I'll enable everyone to create posts. It used to be only testers and stuff, but I'll let everyone. Alright, nice. There you go. So yeah, I'll stream. Maybe I'll stream later tomorrow sometime. But right now I need a break. I'm definitely gonna work, figure stuff out, how I'm gonna do stuff. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next stream.